There's not a lot of love in the words that we use for our bodies. We call it a tool, or maybe if you're spiritual, you call it a temple. But the fact that that this is something that is your best friend is really quite something. And that's how you're going to see your body as we continue. So the exercise I'm going to be giving you is for something that everyone has. You come home from work and you've had issues at work, you're tired, you're exhausted, you've got problems in your head, you can't, you try positive thinking and it doesn't work. So what I want to do is teach you a shaking meditation. Let me show you how it works, okay? So you're going to stand up. All right, I'm going to take my scarf off because it warms you up quickly. Connect with your feet first before you do this, all right? And when you move, keep the balls of your feet on the floor, okay? That's kind of important because it means that your heels gently bump. And also you should be barefoot, all right, or wearing socks. And just shake like this. Just shake. Relax. Shake. I'm going to turn to the side so you can see my neck. See how relaxed my neck is? The head, which is where we live, and the body is connected by the neck. It's this transitional point, and that's why so much gets caught up in there. So you want to just relax your neck, relax your shoulders, all right? Relax one, the other, relax the other. You can shake both of them like this. That also feels really good. And just feel those problems shaking right off your fingertips, okay? Shake like that. You can shake like that. Don't worry, no one's looking. Okay, all of these body exercises might look a little bit, but do it in a closed room like I'm doing, right? Okay? Shake one leg. You can shake the things off, especially like bosses and things like that. For annoying people, shake them off the leg like that. Anger is held down in the body like this, especially in the legs, okay? Anger and fear. Okay, and just shake. You can also put some music on if you want for about 2 minutes and then stop. Rest your head. Feel your arms strengthening, lengthening all the way down to the floor. Feel the soles of your feet on the floor and relax. And that's it. You will find that you feel better. And if you don't, do it again.